welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianda. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Yes, we are doing another vlog and we are moving back to campus already. Yes, sophomore year come through. And we are gonna have a better attitude about it because we are not doing the waterworks again. Not this year. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started.
Good morning, guys. It is currently 6 o'clock. There are a couple things that I do need to do, but hopefully I do leave on time, which is still 7 o'clock to get there at around 9. So I will see you guys after I'm done doing a little bit of my last minute packing, and then I will be back when I'm dressed.
Recording me? Are you recording me?
Yes, Amanda.
Okay. Sissy. You'll always be my sister forever and ever until you grow up.
That was so sad.
Like, y'all act like she's going across
Oh
the
my
country.
god.
She's just going 2 hours away, guys.
Definitely had the waterworks, so I failed. But it's okay. I'm gonna see y'all in like 2 hours when I get there. And hopefully the registration process is not hard because I told my mom that I got it in the bag. So if they start giving me complications, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So they better give me an easy time today because I already cried. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. So I just got to my campus. I have to walk all the way to the building because there were no parking spots nearby. All of them were taken. I'm gonna pee and then I'm gonna get my key and then we're going to get my parking decal and then we shall be moving in. I'm about to get out. About to put on my mask first. I need that most importantly, but let's do it. Despite the social anxiety I have, I actually did it. Oh my god. I'm so proud of myself. So, I finally got the keys. But now we gotta find the building because I don't know where it's at and it's not on this side of campus. This is where the freshmen are, so hopefully we don't get lost, but we're gonna try to do some digging and searching. So, come with me. Oh my god. Oh wow, okay. The walls are clean. I think they redeveloped it because it did not look like this. That's cute. Okay, that fridge though is a little, okay, why did they scoot it back though? Oh, I kind of like it. The wooden floors? Yes! Oh my god, yes! Babe, get your key. Come on.
You better hope it's this one. She's still feeling.
I'm just gonna look at the bathroom right quick. Look at the bathroom right quick. Okay. I will be back with you guys when I get all my bedding and everything and we will start doing this transformation together because my parents are getting frustrated. Let's go. Later, guys. Yes, I am in my uniform because I have an event today, but I finished my room, so I'm finally gonna give you guys the room tour. Come with me. This is my room. Oh my god, look how cute it is, guys. Let me take you guys through each and every single part of my room. Obviously, next to my bed, I have this really cute nightstand and my lamp that I got from home. These are just my normal essential items that I pretty much use every single day, so that's why I have it relatively close. This is just some storage down here. I just have like extra decorations, toiletries. Then I have this rug that I got from Shein, and yes, this entire bedding is from Shein. And then for my decorations, I have this really cute love neon sign from AliExpress. These little black and white pictures to match my bedding are actually from Shein. I just used a couple that I really liked a lot, made it into a cute little collage. And then these little clips that are holding up my personal Insta Polaroids are from Shein as well. Moving on to my vanity, I have my makeup and some cute pictures. And what you guys see here is an inspired Pinterest room decor look that I am in love with. As you guys can see, I have the black and white photos from Shein on the outside and my personal photos as the pop of color. And this decor is from, of course, Shein. Sometimes it's hard to tell so. Yeah, I think this is going to complete the video. So thank you guys for watching my move-in vlog / room transformation. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below with some requests or just your thoughts of this video. But until next week, I will see you guys later. Bye, and have a great first day of school.